Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on Tech Daily. And in this video, which my viewers have been requesting since long, but I had to take my time to test the device nicely before coming out with this video. So here I am, and you guys are watching the condition of Moto G4 Plus after the bug fixing update. So let's get started. So first, let us start with the improvements and then we will talk about the bugs which still exist, as there are few improvements and many bugs still unsolved. So the first improvement is the increase in the notification sounds. Yes, after the Nougat update, several of us were complaining about this, and finally after the bug fixing update, this was fixed. Now the sound levels are pretty decent, good enough. This does not affect me that much as my phone is always on silent. The second improvement is that now the network option 2G network bands is enabled, which was absent after the Nougat update. But there is only a tiny audience now left which uses 2G. The third and the last improvement is a bit better UI performance, a bit less lag in the user interface is what I noticed. I do not know about others. Earlier the wallpaper stuff crashed and other apps crashed frequently, which does not happen now. The huge battery drain issue still exists. I used to think that yes, Nougat update, if there is a problem, Motorola will fix it with the upcoming bug fixing update. But I am sad to see that it did not happen. Still, the battery drains a lot when it is kept on idle. There is no solution to it as it drains even if the battery saver is on. So guys, wait for the next bug fixing update. I hope Moto delivers this time, and let me also tell you guys, when I use the phone heavily, that is when the phone is not kept idle, there is no battery drain in that case, at least for me. The second big problem which still remains unsolved is not being able to download apps from Play Store when the phone is on roaming data, which is not really expected from a brand which promotes stock Android. Yes, several of the websites also say that this problem is only happening with the Jio users, but I don't think so. The third issue is the hanging of the notification bar when internet is turned on after a long time and all the notification comes at once. Yes, this happens, but this is expected when the update is not very much stable. So the only solution to this is to keep the internet on always and turning off the data use in background for other apps. The fourth issue is the lag while using split screen. Yes, it happens, but it is very much bearable. And I just use split screen while chatting, as on the upper window there is WhatsApp and in the lower window YouTube. So it works fine for me. The fifth issue which users are facing is with the default camera app, and especially in the front facing camera mode. They say that it freezes in between, or sometimes the shutter button disappears and then the phone hangs. So the only solution to this is using a third party app which will work great without any issue. Example, Retrica. Then comes the cast screen issue. So let me spell that out clearly, that this feature simply does not work on Moto G4 Plus, as when we search for a device nearby, it never searches it, and this bug exists for a long time, but still Motorola has not fixed it. The seventh and the last bug which remains unsolved is the screen burn issue, which is both a software and a hardware issue. So if you want to fix the software issue, just watch the video which I uploaded yesterday. The link will be in the description and in the top right corner of your screen as a card. So that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. If not, vote it down. And please comment in the comment section that did I miss any bug, and also tell me how the video was. But you should definitely subscribe to Tech Daily, as I keep coming with videos like this, and every subscriber matters a lot to me. So this is me Rahul from Tech Daily, bidding you a bye bye.